Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have started a new series in which we are looking to how to file on GST, HST and PST for the Canadian provinces. In our last video we talked about the British Columbia PST, and today we are going to file another province which is SK, and we will walk through the process of how we can file the PST for the SK province of Canada. So before we move to the topic, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tax information. So on my screen you can see a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is same that I follow for the British Columbia. You can see I have the summary page. Again, it includes the sales, the exchange rate. Then I had this posting tab. This is how I will post the entries in my accounting software. These are my total sales, and these are same sales. These are same data which I have included in my British Columbia return. The data is dummy, it's not the real data. Then I have the Avalara here. Again, these are my transaction. You can see the GST here, and you can see the PST here. So if we see the total tax rate for the SK province is, if I convert this to 6 percentage, so we have 6 percentage this and 5 percentage is this amount, so make it total of 11 percentage. In the British Columbia we saw that the tax rate was 7 percentage, but for the SK province we have 6 percentage tax rate. This is my GST. This is how I'm calculating my GST. So tax rate, taxable sales multiplied by 5 percentage, and the difference is my PST. This is the account that I use for posting 2035 for this province. I was using 2036 for my British Columbia, and 35 I use for the SK province, and then I have the payment as well here. So now again I'm gonna use this particular sheet to file my return. So I'm on the website. You can see here I'm gonna click file, then I will file a tax return. So here what I will check is I will do original document, and then you have to select the filing period. My filing period is April. I will click next. So here I will add the total sales. My total sales are these sales, and then I add the net tax collected. So my total tax that I'm gonna pay is this one, and then I will just click validate. The system will check if my return is perfect, and then I can just submit it. Once you submit this return, the system will ask you to populate the tax information, the payment information that you wanna use to make the payment, and then your return and your payment will be made. So it's quite straightforward. This is how you can file the SKPST return. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, any any comments, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.